Agriculture in India. Agriculture or farming means the cultivation of land to produce crops. So it includes horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. It provides food for millions of people and raw material for many industries. About 70% of Indian population depends upon agriculture for a living. A variety of crops are produced in India. This is because India has favorable climate, fertile soil, and good rainfall also. Where there is little rainfall, irrigation facilities are provided. So the two main cropping season in India are Kharif and Rabi. Kharif is sown in summer and harvested in winter. Rabi is sown in winters and harvested in summers. The example of Kharif is rice, millet, sugarcane, maize, pulses, etc. And Rabi crops examples are wheat, mustard, oil seeds, and barley. Types of crops grown in India. They are known as food crop and cash crop. Food crop means the crop that are grown to feed the people, like for example rice, wheat, maize, millet, etc. And cash crop are that are grown to be sold in the market directly at a good profit, like example sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton, jute, spices, etc. Now in this chapter we learn that the crops grown according to the climate, water available, and according to the soil also. So all these crops are grown in different part of India. Like we can say, like some crops like rice is mostly grown in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand. Wheat is mostly found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Maize, according to the temperature, moderate rainfall, it is found in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and Bihar. But millets and pulses mostly most of the states of India. Now, sugarcane is mostly found in because sugarcane needs hot and moist climate. So, it is found in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu also. Tea, the second popular beverage in India, mostly found in that is it is grown in warm and wet climate, so mostly in the Darjeeling, Assam, West Bengal, and Nilgiri hills also. Coffee also is found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, as it is grown in cool climate. It requires heavy rainfall also. Now next, cotton is the fourth largest producer in India. It is grown in hot and wet climate, mostly found in Gujarat. It is found in black soil. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. Now comes jute, which is the second largest producer of in the world. India is the second largest producer. So it is also known as golden fiber, mostly found in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, and Odisha. Now comes spices. Largest producer, the India is the largest producer in the world. Mostly you can see in Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Now comes oil seed. Oil seed also is the India is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world. And the famous places are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Now comes horticulture. Horticulture means the practice of growing flowers, fruits, vegetable is known as horticulture. They are grown for selling directly in the market. Mostly the places Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and some northeastern states are very famous. Now, livestock rearing, you can say, the animals are reared for business purposes, like for example, cows, sheep, in many ways. Even goat, sheep, camel, they gives us wool. Oxen, donkeys, camels are used for plowing field, moving water wheel and carrying loads also. Buffaloes are used for manure. Next comes fishing. The second occupation in India is fishing, mostly done in coastal areas. The main varieties of marine fish are sardines, mackerels, and shrimps. So coastal plain also is very beautiful place for the tourist place people.